Today's recipe is for egg croquettes with mushrooms and cheese. The list of ingredients can be found in the description below the video. As always, I invite new viewers to subscribe to my channel. To start, we will prepare pancakes. We'll need a cup of flour, 3/4 cup of water, it could be carbonated, a glass of milk, a pinch of salt, 2 whole eggs, and 3 tablespoons of oil. Of course, you can use your own pancake recipe. We need about 10 pancakes. Fry them in a dry pan, then we start preparing the filling. Fry 1 medium-sized onion diced in oil. When the onion begins to brown, add half a kilo of chopped mushrooms. If you want, you can also grate the mushrooms. We season them with salt and pepper towards the end of the frying. Then we add a handful of chopped parsley, a kg of grated cheese, 6 hard-boiled eggs grated, and mix everything. Season it with salt and pepper and mix everything together. The prepared filling goes into the pancakes. Fold the sides first, then roll the croquettes from the bottom. Proceed in the same way with each pancake. For me, this portion yielded 10 croquettes. Dip them in egg first and then in breadcrumbs and fry them until they're golden brown on each side. And there you have it, they're delicious. Give it a try.